Alright, number 9 in the textbook is asking for the surface area. So I'm going to identify every shape that has some of that surface area. I'm going to start with the bases, which is the triangle in front and the triangle in back. This is all we know about the triangle. The slanted distance is 17 and this side is 16. So if we can find the area of that, then we'll take two of those and add them to the rectangles. So this rectangle on the right is 20 feet by 17 feet. And there's also two of those. The one on the right and the one on the left, the slanted one on the left. So that takes care of the left side and the right side. Now we need the bottom side, and the bottom side is a rectangle that's 16 by 20. 16 by 20. And there's only one of those. So here's our three rectangles and the two triangles. Let's add up the areas and we'll have our answer. Let's start with the rectangles, which are the easiest. Multiply length times width, or base times height, and we get 340. There'll be two of those. And then multiply base times height, and we get 320. So we get 680 and 320, which adds up to a total of 1,000 there. And you might have noticed I've been avoiding this guy. So to get that, the area of a triangle is 1/2 times its base times its height. The base is clearly 16, but that ain't its height. The height is this dimension. So how are we going to find that? Good old Pythagorean theorem with half of this triangle right here. That's a right triangle. Let's blow it up a little bit. Come on down. Come over here for that. So we need to know the height. We know that this side is 17. And for this blue right triangle, half of 16 is 8. This side is 8. So with Pythagorean theorem, we have 8 squared plus h squared is equal to 17 squared. And we can solve that algebraically. H is equal to exactly 15. So let's go ahead and put that in. The area of this entire triangle is 1/2 times its 16 base times the height of 15. So each triangle is 120. There's two of them, which gives us 240. And so our final answer is 1,000 plus 240, or 1,240 square units. And let's see, the units were feet, so that's going to be square feet. I hope that helped.